Good day, everyone. Welcome to Exceptional Leadership with Edwin Isoboye. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why leaders fail. Many persons started out as great leaders, and after some time, they became failures, or they became unable to provide quality leadership. So 3 of the reasons why leaders fail are as follows. Number 1 is the mentality that the leader is superior to the followers. We live in an environment where most people feel uncomfortable to receive counsel from others. And when a leader feels that he's too big to listen to the followers, he's on a path towards destruction. A leader is not always the wisest man in the organization. He's not the bravest. He's not the smartest. He does not have the best ideas. But it's only the man that has the potential to harness all these persons in order to achieve a purpose. So when a leader do not feel threatened about the brightness, the soundness, the intellectual prowess of his followers, he's on a path to succeed as a leader. When a leader sees himself as superior to every other person in the organization, he's naturally heading towards destruction, because he will shield himself from receiving counsel from those who could have utterly saved him or helped the entire organization to become better. Number 2, leaders fail when they begin to seek honor instead of providing service. Most leaders have left the core of leadership. Leadership is all about providing service to people, to serve people exceptionally well, to the point that they come back and submit to you as a leader. That's all leadership is all about. But most persons have stopped serving. The focus is on the title. The focus is on the honor. The focus is on the recognition. Several years ago, I was in a meeting. A man was introduced by somebody. They introduced a man to come up. He refused to stand up. Everybody was surprised. And after some time, the man came up and said something. He said, "We should give honor to whom honor is due." That how will you call me up without adding my titles? Now, the man was so angry that the person that introduced him did not introduce him with his titles. So he felt that by not calling him by the title he bears, it's a letdown on his personality. So such a person is on a point of being a failure as a leader, because the interest at that point is on the title of leadership and not on the service that leadership was supposed to deliver. So that's another reason why leaders fail. Then number 3, leaders fail when they refuse to grow. If you refuse to grow as a leader, you get to the point when you're no longer suitable to lead the people under you today. When people get to the point you are as a leader and there is nothing new for you to offer to them, they will no longer be submissive to your leadership. So a leader has a responsibility to develop himself. A leader has a responsibility to grow, to become better. Because it is in the development and the advancement of the leader that the people can find clarity to follow the leader. So have this at the back of your mind. For you to succeed as a leader, you must keep growing. You must focus on service and not on the title. Then also you must value your team and know that some bright ideas can come from the followers, not necessarily the leaders. Do have a lovely day. Thank you so much.